So I was building a new AI CRM template within Softr for Softr. And there is something really cool that is only now available thanks to Softr workflows that I really want to show you. So in that CRM, I will find here all my deals, and I will take one of these deals to see. So we have information here about the company. We have all the related contacts, but also here all interactions, and some are meeting summaries, some are emails. And one thing, so we have here some Ask AI, for example, to manually ask some questions about all the interactions that are related to this company and this deal. So that's already quite convenient, and that's coming out of the box from Softr. But what I've added here is a button here. Whenever I click it, I see this loading screen, and right there I get a digest, like a summary of all these interactions. And whenever I click, it gets updated. So if, for example, I was logging some other meetings, some other emails, I could just go in here and click to get a little refresh of all this information being digested for us, which can really help, like, a sales rep save a lot of time, or even someone, maybe the sales manager who doesn't know personally like everything about each deal. You get a 3 bullet points, information. You see the key dates, etc., and that's super convenient. So let's look into the way I actually built this. So I'm here in the studio, in the Softr studio, where here I have my item detail record connected to deals, and here in the actions, I have one of my actions that is actually, if I look at all the options here, it is actually running a custom workflow. It is running that workflow, and we are passing here some data to the workflow, and here it's the deal ID. This workflow starts, that's the kind of trigger, run custom workflow. So it's triggered via the UI, and we see here that we receive the deal ID whenever it's being triggered. Then here I have the option to show a wait screen. So we have a couple options, and we can even customize the different, the loading text. Maybe if you have a workflow that takes around like 25 seconds, it will even be able to like shuffle a bit the text so the user knows that, okay, it's about to work. So what happens here is we first start by finding that deal to get, from here all the information about this deal, so we could reuse it later in our workflow. So we get all the information about the deal that we kind of triggered, and then we find all the interactions that are, from the similar company to the deal. Because if I look here, we have all the interactions, and we here have a lookup about the company. So this is what we're using here to just get, in our case, I think it was just a couple, 6 interactions out of all the interactions that are related here to our company. And then we have an AI here, an AI prompt that is basically taking all the records that we found in here, so all the interactions, and is prompted to return 3 bullet points, which is what will generate this summary that we could then, in the next step, store in our database in the deal table, where we will store our interactions digest. Now I could even customize here my prompt to also add and take into account the fact that I can also here pull the information here that we found at the deal level. They wrote a specific message when asking for that demo, and we will pass that as well. So we'll have even better answers, because it will not only know all the emails that have been exchanged, but also the initial context, like why did they reach out to us in the first place. We store that back into Softr, and then to end this workflow, we show a success message to the user. Once it's done, your summary is ready. We stay on the same page this time, but we will then trigger reloading all the blocks on that page to make sure, if I'm going back here, to make sure that because the data that we have in this field has been updated or has been created, we get to see the updates. So this is really powerful. Here we see that they were seeking a warehouse, etc., because now we are referring to the demo request that they had it exactly in here. So super powerful. only made available for Softr workflow because it's directly connected, to the interface that we have built within our app, super easily connected to our Softr databases as well. So I really start to definitely have more of my workflows that are running on Softr workflow for my Softr apps, because now with the 3 components of this full stack app builder, it gets really powerful. And I love being able to provide such experiences to my user with a loading screen that informs them what's happening. So hope this was useful, and let me know if you have any other use case where you will need such a UI trigger for your workflows.